Hi, this is Rich, the broke-ass carpenter. I'm just chilling out, watching the waves roll in. Haven't put nothing up for a while. Winters are rough. It's been a stressful year. Any of you guys who know me, I'm selling the house in Greenville, South Carolina. I think I have it sold. Just a lot of weird stuff. And I've made a bunch of small videos. I just need to get on there and edit. But this one, I'm just going to put it straight out there. I'm going to let it sit here and run for a couple minutes and not say a whole lot. Life is good. Body's about the same. Back hurts. Tired of winter, but hey, this is your winter. Life is good. Excuse me. Breezy here today. What do you think? This is low tide, or an hour away from low tide.